Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you could go on to creating a landing page right here with this particular website called the Google site or the site.google.com to actually use that to promote multiple CPA marketing offers. So make sure you do watch this video right here and make sure you do stick on to the end and learn this exact same strategy which you could use to create cool and amazing landing pages to promote multiple CPA marketing offers with the help of this platform called the Google site. So without further ado and more delay of time, let's just simply jump right ahead into today's video. So the first thing which you want to do right now is to go on to getting a CPA marketing offers which you want to promote right here, and you can actually use the CPA grip. I'm logged into my account right here. I'm going to select the offer tools, click on my offers, and maybe I want to promote offers to the United Kingdom. I'm just going to select that right here, which is the United Kingdom. So once I select the United Kingdom, guys, the offers are actually going to load right here, and I will be showing offers only available to this demographic right here. So basically there are a lot of offers which I can take advantage of right now. So I'm just going to head back to the site of google.com. You can actually gain access to this website for absolutely free once you do have a Google account. So right here, to create a landing page, I can use any of this already made templates, or I can actually go on to using this blank section to actually go on to creating my landing page from scratch. So as you can see right now, I'm being brought to this page. I can actually go on to maybe editing this background of this image right here, or I could delete this section right here. So edit the background, I'm just going to click on this, click on image right here, and you want to click on upload file right here to actually go on to uploading image from your device, or to click on select right here to use one right here from this particular platform called this Google site. And guys, once this successfully loads up, I'll be showing a lot of templates or images which I could use. I'm just going to come right here to the search section, and I'm just going to search for something about giveaway. And if I do search for giveaway right here, I'll be able to see a lot more amazing images which I can actually use right now. So you could see this image right here. I can actually select this image right now and just simply select that, click on select, and that image will actually be uploaded in the background of this particular section. So guys, you can see right here the image has actually been used right there. I can actually go on to adding a text right here, but because this particular background already has a text that is actually related to what I want to do, I'm just going to leave it as it is right here. So once I do leave that as it is, guys, I'm going to click on text box. So actually adding a text box right here, and I'm just going to put in something like select a giveaway offer below. I'm going to make that bold, and I'm also going to increase the font size right here. I'm going to select something, let me say 30 right now, and this is actually okay right here. I'm also going to come right here to this section, guys, and I'm just going to take advantage of these content blocks right here. So if I do come right here, click on this content block right now, as you can see, this content block has been added right here, guys. I'm just going to go to CPA grip, select an offer. Supposing I want to use this Amazon offer right here, I'm just going to download this image on my device by clicking on save image as and save that image on my device. I'm going to copy the title right here and actually head back to my landing page site. Click on this plus icon, click on upload to select that particular image from my device. And if I do check, this is the image right here, and that has actually been selected. Right here, guys, I'm just going to paste in that particular title which I copied. I'm going to highlight that and actually change the font color to black. And once that has actually been changed, I'm going to increase the font size right here, taking it to something like 24, and that is actually okay. I'm going to go back to CPA grip, copy this description right here, and head back to my landing page, paste that in right here. Also going to changing the font color to black, and you can see how this actually is right now. So once this is done, guys, I'm just going to come right here to this section and add in a button. If I do click on button, I'm going to put in something like claim now. So once I type in something like this, in this link section, I'm going to copy the link to my CPA grip offer, copy the link, head back to Google site, paste in that particular link right here and click on insert. So you could see the button right here. I'm just going to drag in the button and put in this section right now, and you can see how cool this actually looks like. So once this is done, guys, I can actually go on to adding another collapsible group or content block to actually go on to adding another offer. So I'm going to do exactly the same strategy which I did right here. I'm just going to go on to selecting another sweepstake offer right here. And guys, this is an example of a sweepstake offer also. So I'm just going to download this image, also copy this title right here. Once I copy the title, head on to my Google Sites page and actually paste the title right here. So once the title has been pasted, I'm also going to go on to making that bold and actually changing the font color right here. So once the font color has actually been changed, that's how it's going to look like. change the font style also, or the font size to about 24, and actually do go on to copying this particular description right here. Once I do copy the description, come back right here, paste that in right there in this particular section. So once that has been pasted, guys, I'm also going to go on to changing the font color to black right here. Once that has also been changed, I'm going to upload that image right here. Click on upload. I'm going to selecting that image from my device. Here's the image right here. I'm just going to go on to adding a button also. So if I do click on button, I'm going to put in something like claim now also. So once I put in that right here, get back to my CPA grip offer, copy the link, head back to my landing page site and paste in that link right here. Click on insert, and I'm just going to drag this right here to this section, and that has actually been added. You can see 2 CPA marketing offers that's been added. I'm just going to go on to adding a third one right now. I'm going to head on to CPA grip and go on to selecting another offer right here. So if I do select this offer right now, I'm just going to go on to saving the image on my device like I did earlier. Save the image, go on to copying this particular title also. And once I copy the title, head back to my landing page site. I'm going to add a content block also, and actually do go on to uploading that image right here. Click on upload, select that particular image, and that image has been uploaded right now. I'm just going to come right here, paste in that particular title, make that bold, and actually go on to changing the font color and the font size also to about 24. I'm then going to go on to maybe copying that particular description right here. If I do copy the description, or let me select the offer again, I'm going to come right here, copy the description to that particular offer, head back to this section and paste in that right here. So once I paste in that right now, I'm going to change the font color also. And once I do this, I'm just going to go on to adding a button. So if I do click on button right now, I'm just going to simply click on claim now. So if I do type in claim now, head back to my CPA grip offer, copy the link, head back to my landing page, paste the link right in here and click on insert. And right here you can see the button has been added. I'm just going to drag that and put in this section. So you can see right here, guys, I've added multiple CPA marketing offers right here to this particular page. So you could then go on to adding as many other CPA marketing offers which you want to use right here for this particular offer right now. You could just simply maybe add in, at this section, I'm just going to add in a text box right here, telling them that they should complete a simple survey after selecting offer to win a giveaway. So I'm just going to come right here and increase the font size to something like 18 right here. And you can see how it actually looks right now. So once it's actually done right here, guys, as you can see how it actually looks right now. Once I'm done, I'm just going to come right here, click on publish. And guys, I'm just going to go on to selecting a name right here for this particular domain. So if I do select giveaway, that is actually being used right here. I'm going to select something like the giveaway bricks, and that is actually available. If I click on publish, this page will actually be published. I can then copy the link by clicking on this icon, copy the link, and actually go on to placing that in a new tab. So if I do paste that in a new tab, guys, it's going to load up and I'll be able to see how my landing page actually looks like. So you can see how the landing page actually looks like right now. If I do keep on scrolling through, you could see the CPA marketing offers, which they can actually do click on claim now, and it's going to take them to that page where they do have to complete those offers by actually completing a simple survey, and they will actually gain access to that particular giveaway. And I'll also earn some cool affiliate commission doing so. So this is a simple strategy which you can actually use to start creating a landing page for multiple CPA marketing offers, which you can actually then go on to promoting and getting a lot of leads right there and making a lot of money with CPA marketing, even as a beginner in the year 2023 and beyond. So that's it for now, guys. I hope this video has been of help to you. If yes, why not go on to smashing the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.